Hi, I'm Chuck. Welcome to my channel. There are a lot of free resources out there on the internet to learn AWS, but many of the resources are not properly structured. This makes selection of learning resources to be confusing to beginners. In this video, I'll take you through the top 5 free resources you can use to learn AWS and kickstart your cloud journey. I recommended some AWS certifications in my previous video on top 5 certs to get into cloud. Watch the videos for my recommended AWS cert to go for. Before we dive right in, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and hit the notification button to never miss any of my new videos. Let's get started. The first AWS resource that I recommend is AWS Free Tier. When you create an AWS Free Tier account, you will unlock a 12-month access to a long list of AWS services, which you can use to practice for free, up to certain limits. For example, you have access to certain types of EC2 instances for up to 750 hours for free. You can as well see other free services available on Free Tier and their limits. I highly recommend you set up a billing alarm and specify a limit so that if you go over your free tier limit or if you use a service outside of your free tier, you will receive an alert once the amount specified in the limit is reached. That way, you will avoid unnecessary bills. The second AWS resource that I recommend is AWS Skill Builder. This is a collection of great learning resources selected by AWS experts and are structured into different learning plans. There are so many options here. For example, if you're interested in security, you can move to the next page and click on Security Learning Plan. On the Learning Plan Structure tab, you can preview the course content. If you like it, you can click on Enroll button to enroll for free. One thing I strongly recommend is to use your AWS Free Tier account for hands-on practice while you go through the course. My third recommendations are AWS Workshops. The workshops are created by various AWS teams. As you can see on the top tab here, you can filter by topics. The workshops are hands-on events designed to teach or introduce practical skills, techniques, or concepts which you can use to solve business problems. The complexity of the workshop ranges from level 100, which is pretty basic, to level 400, which is advanced level. For example, this workshop on AWS Network Firewall is kind of advanced. If you click on Get Started button, you will see more details. On the left, you will see the sections covered in the workshop, starting with Introduction, and then Setup, and the workshop has labs, and so on. Next AWS resources I recommend are AWS Whitepapers and Guides. These materials include technical white papers, technical guides, reference material, and reference architecture diagrams, which are written by AWS and AWS community. You can filter by different categories on the left, or click on any of the documents of your choice. These white papers and guides are very detailed and should be your main reference documents for details or when in doubt. My fifth recommendation is to leverage good YouTube channels. A good example is a YouTube channel called freecodecamp.org. This snippet is from the channel. I think it's a good channel and well structured to learn AWS, as well as prepare you for some AWS certifications. Don't just watch the videos. Make sure you practice the concepts using your AWS Free Tier account while watching the videos. I hope you found this informative. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and like the video. Also, press the bell icon to never miss any of my new videos. If you have any questions or comments, please enter them in the comment section below.